This is Dropp in 1 minute. Using location-based technology, Dropp works with renowned artists and celebrities to provide real-world NFT minting events. Users can meet up in the designated location to mint the exclusive drops in an augmented reality metaverse setting. Imagine Pokestops, where you can pick up an NFT from your favorite streetwear designer. Users will also be able to own land in the Dropp metaverse, where they can display their brands, mint exclusive drops, and receive a percentage cut of all of the future NFT drops in your neighborhood. Dropp token is the governance token for the ecosystem, which users must own in order to mint NFTs and access exclusive airdrops. The token also receives a portion of all of the revenue from NFT minting, royalties, brand collaboration fees, and land sales. Let us know in the comment section below what you think about Dropp. As always, do your own research and follow us for more.